Breakup. Come back stronger, 13 Stoic lessons. She left. The pain is unbearable. You stare at your phone, waiting, hoping. But deep inside, you know she's not coming back. A breakup can break you or make you unstoppable. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Accept what you cannot control. You cannot control her feelings, her decisions, or her actions. These are elements of life that are beyond your grasp, no matter how much you wish otherwise. Trying to change them is like trying to hold water in your hands. It will always slip through your fingers. What is done is done. The past is unchangeable, a fixed point in time that we cannot alter. It is a chapter that has already been written, and no amount of regret or longing can rewrite it. To dwell on this endlessly is to invite suffering into your life needlessly. Obsessing over what you cannot change only serves to anchor you in a state of perpetual pain and frustration. It is a cycle that feeds on itself, growing stronger with each passing day. But you can control yourself. Your actions, your reactions, and your mindset are within your domain. This is where your true power lies, in the ability to shape your own path and destiny. The Stoics lived by one rule: focus only on what is within your control. They understood that peace comes from accepting the things we cannot change and dedicating our energy to the things we can. Your emotions, your thoughts, your response, that is where your power lies. By mastering these, you can navigate through life's challenges with grace and resilience. Epictetus said, "Men are disturbed not by things, but by the view they take of them." This profound insight reminds us that our perception shapes our reality. Change the narrative, and you change everything. By shifting your perspective, you can transform your experience and find peace amidst the chaos. This is where true freedom lies, and this is how you begin to heal. Embrace the power within you, and let go of what you cannot control. In this acceptance, you will find liberation and the path to inner peace. Chapter 2. Detach from desire. Seneca warned, if you are ruled by your emotions, you are a slave. Right now, your desire for her enslaves you. A Stoic cuts those chains. Detach from the desire that enslaves you. This is the path to true freedom and ultimately to lasting happiness. Chapter 3. Use pain as fuel. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The obstacle in the path becomes the path. The pain you feel right now feels like an insurmountable obstacle, but what if this pain is the path itself? Hit the gym. Channel the raw energy of your emotions into physical strength and discipline. Let her absence be the fire that fuels your rise. Embrace the challenge and emerge from the fire stronger than ever before." Chapter 4. Control your mind, control your life. A weak man lets heartbreak consume him. A Stoic chooses a different path. Meditate. Find stillness amidst the chaos of your thoughts. Journal. Put your thoughts and feelings onto paper. Breathe deeply. In moments of overwhelming stress or anxiety, remember the power of your breath. Your mind is your battlefield. Win there and you win everywhere. Master your thoughts and you master your destiny. Control your mind, control your life. Chapter 5. Stop playing the victim. Life owes you nothing. She owes you nothing. Right now you may be tempted to wallow in self-pity, but this is a dangerous and disempowering narrative. No woman wants a man who clings, begs, or seeks pity. The world rewards strength, resilience, and self-reliance. Rise, lead, move forward. Embrace the reality that you are responsible for your own life. You are capable of achieving those things for yourself. Chapter 6. Embrace solitude. You fear being alone? Good. That fear is a signpost pointing towards growth. Most people avoid solitude, but it is in solitude that you truly connect with yourself. Face it. Sit with the silence. Feel the emptiness. Embrace solitude not as a punishment, but as a privilege. It is in the crucible of solitude that you become the man you were meant to be. Chapter 7. Fortify your body, fortify your mind. Your body is your armor. It shields you from the challenges of life, both physical and mental. When you strengthen your body, you build resilience and fortitude. A weak body leads to a weak mind. Lift weights to build muscle and endurance. Feel the power surge through you as you push your limits. Challenge your muscles, push your limits. Run to clear your mind and invigorate your spirit. Each step you take is a step towards a stronger you. Feel the wind on your face, the rhythm of your stride. Train with dedication and purpose. Let the natural world be your gym and your sanctuary. Learn a martial art, take up a sport. These activities not only build physical strength, but also teach discipline, focus, and strategic thinking. A stronger you is a more attractive you. Confidence radiates from a well-maintained body, and it reflects in every aspect of your life. When you invest in your physical well-being, you invest in your overall well-being. Meditation and yoga align your body and mind, creating harmony and balance. You become a force to be reckoned with. Every challenge you overcome, every goal you achieve adds to your strength and determination. Fortify your body, fortify your mind. Embrace the journey of self-improvement and let it transform you into the best version of yourself. Chapter 8. Cut off what weakens you. You are a general leading an army into battle. Your decisions determine the fate of your troops. Every choice you make can either lead to victory or defeat. In this battle, you must be ruthless in cutting off what weakens you. Delete the chats, sever the ties that bind you. Those messages are chains holding you back. Each deleted message is a step towards freedom. Stop checking her socials. Her online presence is an illusion. It's a mirage that keeps you trapped in the past. Free yourself from the digital shadows. Do not torture yourself with comparisons. The lives you see online are curated, not real. Focus on your own journey, your own growth. Would a general keep listening to the battle cries of a fallen army? No, he would move forward, strategize, and prepare for the next challenge. You must do the same. Cut the noise, eliminate the distractions, find peace in solitude. Let the quiet moments be your sanctuary. Create a space for yourself that is free from the reminders of the past. A place where you can breathe, think, and heal. This is your time to heal, to rebuild. Move forward with purpose and determination. Embrace the journey ahead. Chapter 9. Redirect your love. Love isn't dead. It has merely been misdirected. Pour that love into yourself. Invest in your own growth, your own well-being. Pour that love into your craft. Channel your heartache into something meaningful. Pour that love into your purpose. Redirect your love. Let it fuel your growth, your creativity. Chapter 10. Time heals nothing. You do. Time alone won't heal you. It is a passive observer. Time may soften the edges of your grief, but it will not do the heavy lifting of healing. That is your responsibility. Every second spent dwelling on the past is a second wasted. The past is gone. It is immutable. Act. Do not allow yourself to become paralyzed by grief. Move. Your body is designed for movement. Evolve. This breakup is an opportunity for growth. Chapter 11. Laugh at the pain. This may seem counterintuitive. How can you possibly laugh in the face of such pain? Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters. You cannot control the fact that she left, but you can control how you choose to respond. So laugh, not out of madness, but power. Laugh at the absurdity of it all. Laugh because you survived. Laugh because you know that you will overcome this. Chapter 12. Become a man she regrets losing. This is not about winning her back. This is about becoming the best possible version of yourself for you and you alone. Success is the best revenge. Imagine yourself a year from now. You are fitter, stronger, more confident. You radiate an aura of self-confidence and quiet strength. This is about stripping away the layers of insecurity. Claim it. Chapter 13. Never lose yourself for anyone. No woman, no relationship, no amount of pain should ever have the power to make you forget who you are. You are not defined by your relationship status. You are defined by the content of your character. You were complete before her, and you are complete now. This breakup is an opportunity to reclaim yourself. This is your time. Own it. Ultra unshakable, this is not the end of your story. This is the beginning of your rebirth. If you found strength in these lessons, subscribe to Arev, where men are forged through Stoic wisdom. Now go, rebuild, conquer, become unshakable, step into your power and claim your birthright.